Hi, this is Clayton from Pavement, and in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up shipping for your Facebook storefront. Before we get started, you'll need a few things. You'll need to have created a Facebook storefront and have added products to your Facebook storefront. Both of these tasks were explained in previous video tutorials. Please refer back to those if you have any additional questions. To get started, you'll need to access your storefront's admin page. Click on the Storefront Dashboard button. Now click on the Settings tab. And now click on the Shipping sub-tab. This is the Shipping Settings page. Here you can control all the shipping options throughout your entire storefront. Make sure your shipping origin address information is entered in correctly. The postal code is crucial here. Next is the Shipping Calculation Methods section. There are a few different shipping options available. You can choose either free shipping, use a table rate, or select a carrier rate. In order to enable free shipping, simply click on the Enable Free Shipping option checkbox. In order to enable table rate, click on the Enable Table Rate checkbox. Table rates allow you to set rules based on total order weight, price, or quantity. Let's go over a few examples. The system works like this. The value, the weight, price, or quantity goes before colons followed by the shipping amount. Let's start off with quantity. Make sure you have the quantity radio dial selected. Here, for orders up to 5 items, I will charge $10 for shipping. For orders up to 10 items, I will charge $7.50 for shipping. And for orders of 20 or greater items, I will charge $5 for shipping. Now let's see how to set my table rate based off order price. Make sure you have selected the price radio dial. Here, if the order total is up to $25, the shipping charge will be $10. Orders totaling up to $50 will have a shipping cost of $7.50, and orders up to or greater than $100 will have a shipping cost of $5. I will now set up my table rate for weight. Make sure you have selected the weight radio dial. Here, if the total order weighs up to 5 pounds, I'll charge $5 for shipping. If the order weighs up to 10 pounds, I'll charge $15 for shipping. And if the order weighs up to 20 pounds, I'll charge $25 for shipping. This brings up a good point. How do you set your product's weight? To set your product's weight, you'll need to go back to the item data page. Let's take a quick look. On the item data page, scroll down to the shipping details section. Here, you'll be able to set the shipping weight for your product. Once complete, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit the Save button. Back on your shipping settings page, let's now take a quick look at carrier rates. Currently, UPS and FedEx are the supported carriers. You can choose to select both UPS and FedEx, or just one. These rates will automatically be generated based off of the item weight and distance from origin to destination. For my example, I want to use a table rate based off of quantity. Let me go back and change my settings to reflect that. I have now updated my shipping settings to work off a table rate based on quantity. Before advancing to the next stage, I need to set my default shipping method. I need to make sure that it says table rate. I now have the option to update the shipping method for all pre-existing products in my store. Let me go ahead and click the checkbox that says Update All My Products. Next is the Shipping Policies section. Here you can select the handling time and the return policy. Lastly is the International Shipping section. Here you can specify whether you will ship international or not. You can also add an additional shipping charge for international orders. Once complete, hit Save. You will see a notification alerting you that your settings have successfully been updated. Now let's do a quick test checkout to see the changes. I'm back on my Shop Now tab, ready to do a test checkout. If you remember correctly, I've set my table rate to work off quantity. So let's go ahead and buy 7 shirts and see what happens. Here you can see the table rate in action. I'm purchasing 7 shirts and seeing a flat rate shipping charge of $7.50. As a note, the table rate will be displayed as a flat rate shipping option. Let's go back to my storefront settings page to confirm this. Here you can clearly see, for orders up to 10 items, there will be a $7.50 shipping charge. Now let's do a quick example using the carrier rates. Remember, you'll need to enable the carrier rates by clicking the checkbox and you'll need to switch your default shipping method to carrier rate. Now make sure you have the Update All Products checkbox selected. And when finished, scroll down to the bottom of the page and hit Save. Again, you'll see a status message alerting you that the changes have successfully been updated. Now all of your products will be shipped using a carrier rate. Let's go check it out. So I'm back on my Shop Now tab, ready to do another test checkout, this time using carrier rate as a shipping option. Here you can see the carrier rates in action. Your customers will now see all the available shipping options from both UPS and FedEx. I'm Clayton from Pavement, and this has been How to Set Up Shipping for Your Facebook Storefront. For additional questions, please head over to our community support page. The link is listed below.